Flute, page 17, line number 70, Down in the Valley. Now this is one of my favorite American folk songs. Down in the valley, valley so low, I met my sweetheart so long ago. Now for some of you, the melody might sound a little familiar, but the words are new. They're weird. The one that you might know, on top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. Yeah, you know that one. So that's the song that we have here. But you'll notice, in addition to our key signature and our time signature, take a look at those. B flat, E flat, A flat, 3/4 time. We have some letters under our music that are just already there. There's an F, and then there's a P. If you look in the upper corner of your page, you'll notice that they actually have this thing up there. So try and find that real quick. Starts with the letter D. Dynamics. So a dynamic in music is telling us how loud, how strong, or how softly to play. And as flute players, what's going to happen for us when we want to play loud, we actually just pour more air on. And I don't mean blow harder, that's blowing faster air, which will make you jump octaves. So faster air is this difference. Slow, medium, fast. So do you hear what's happening there? They're all about the same volume. So here's what we mean by pushing more air added, just a bigger air. Like small air, medium, and big air, gentle but big. And it might be a little hard to hear it on this video, but some of you might be able to hear that there was a volume difference. The first one with the small soft air, that was really quiet. But the big air, the big gentle air, that was quite a bit louder. Go ahead and rewind it if you want to check that again. So for the forte, the F there, it means that strong sound. So you're going to need a lot of air for this. Don't be afraid to breathe as much as you need to, but try and play at least 3 notes, quarter notes, between breaths. For the quiet areas though, that piano, the quiet, soft, gentle one, you can relax just a little bit with your air volume. So remember, forte, big air, piano, soft air. Let's try it through. But first, let's actually learn our letter names for this one. So go ahead and write these down with me if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. B, E, F, G, E, G, F, E, F, B, D, F, A, F, G, E, F, E. Now, did you catch that I almost sang that the way the dynamics want me to play it too? Let's go ahead and try it playing-wise. Nice and slow. So again, forte, you want that big, strong volume of air. For the piano, gentle, gentle, gentle. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 1. Starts forte. have noticed on the second dotted half note there, I kind of ran out of breath. If that happens to you, you can actually take a nod from what I just did. Did it feel like I rushed ahead even though I ran out of air there? No, I still counted through that amount of time. So if that ever happens to you, keep counting. That one's more important. So keep playing it. If you have a moment where you just kind of biff the fingering, go back to the beginning, try it again. But always, always try and keep that counting consistent. And you can even see my feet moving down here, so that's really helpful. Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster. And I'm sure you'll notice that the more you practice this one, especially for that forte piano dynamic change there, if you play it faster, you'll have more air to carry you through to the end of each phrase. And by phrase, it's like all the way to that breath mark. So let's see if we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready.